One is called the jack. This is called the jack accessories. This is called trial pot. This is called wheel spanner. This is called mutton cloth. It can also be called rag, but the technology name for it is mutton cloth. You can use it to clean the car as you go on with your work. This is a flat board. I'm using this to support my jack, and as you can all see, it is free from oil to prevent slip. So let's now move to the car as I demonstrate to you all on how to remove and replace tire. Okay? I'll first of all use I'm using my wedge. I'll wedge in the front and at the back. As I've earlier on mentioned the names of these materials that I'm going to use, we are now going to put it into practicals now. Before you remove your tire or before you wedge your car, you will now come down here and slap your tire. As you do it, you stand in a position that you can turn it properly. I'm not going to make use of this jack. I'm going to put it on this flat board, and before you jack your vehicle, you have to make sure that where this space is meets with the jack pot. I'm not going to use the jack accessory to roll it up. The use of these trial pots is to enable the car to rest on it properly. So I'm still rolling up so that I can fix my trial pot. I'm rolling back so that the car will rest on the trial pot. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use the wheel spanner to remove the bolt. These are the bolts I'm trying to remove. Well, I'm finding it difficult to make use of this wheel spanner because it's not firm. So I'm going to use this other one.
Okay.
In using wheel spanner, you make sure that the spanner is being attached to the bolt and is firmly tight to enable you lose it. So first of all, I'm going to use my mutton cloth to clean the surface where the bolt is. Because I can see that some of the bolts have already worn out. So what I'm going to do now, I want to check my bolt to see whether the threads have been worn out. But as I can see, they are still there, and I'm using the mutton cloth to clean the dirt that has been inserted in the thread. Viewers, as you've all watched the process of fixing the tire, as you've all watched me demonstrating the process of removing a tire, the fixing is just the opposite of it. I would like to advise you, before you replace your tire or change your tire, you make sure that the car is being parked in a plain position. As this one is already parked, you first of all weight your back tire. If you are removing the front tire, you weight your back tire. You make sure you make use of your jack and you incite it correctly to the jack sitting, and you make sure you make use of your trial cords. Never you make use of a stone, because a stone can never give you this accurate position. Thank you all.
Congratulations!
I will try.
Very, very sweet.